All right, we're working 6 days a week and we get 1 day off on Sunday. So I'm getting ready to go get a few clothes washed and get this truck washed and make a few groceries and getting ready for the week next week. But it's this quote I like a lot. And it says, a wise person once said, what surprises me most about humankind is that we get bored with our childhood, rush to grow up, and then long to be children again. That we lose our health to make money, and then lose our money to restore our health. That by thinking anxiously about the future, we forget the present, such that we live in neither the present nor the future. That we live as if we were never going to die, and die as though we've never lived. And then I asked AI to explain this quote to me, and this is what she said.
This quote highlights a fascinating aspect of human behavior. It revolves around the idea that we humans are often dissatisfied with our current stage of life and constantly seek change. We eagerly desire to mature and assume adult responsibilities, thinking that it will bring us fulfillment and happiness. However, as we grow older, we often find ourselves reminiscing about the carefree and innocent days of our childhood. We yearn to be children again, free from the burdens and complexities of adulthood. Additionally, the quote touches upon the notion that many people prioritize material wealth and work tirelessly to acquire it, sometimes at the expense of their health and well-being. We become so consumed by the pursuit of money and success that we neglect our physical and mental health. Eventually, we realize the importance of our health and attempt to restore it, often spending the wealth we have accumulated on medical treatments and lifestyle changes. Furthermore, the quote points out how we frequently worry about the future, anxiously thinking about what is to come. This preoccupation with the future often leads us to disregard the present moment. We fail to fully embrace and appreciate the life we are currently living, as our minds are constantly focused on what lies ahead. Lastly, the quote reflects on the paradoxical nature of human existence. We live as if we are immortal, disregarding the inevitability of our own mortality. We often act as though we have all the time in the world, postponing our dreams and desires for a later date. However, in the end, we perish without truly having lived life to its fullest. This highlights the irony that we spend so much time worrying about the future and neglecting the present, only to realize that time has slipped away from us. In summary, this quote captures the complexities and contradictions of human nature, reminding us to cherish the present, prioritize our well-being, and live a life that is meaningful and true to ourselves.
So enjoy life. Go on vacations. Spend times with your loved one, because we're getting older and we will die. That's for sure. But again, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel and have a great day.